Welcome. Your yoga journey begins. Welcome to your 20-minute guided yoga flow for beginners. This session is designed to gently introduce you to fundamental yoga postures, focusing on building strength and cultivating relaxation. Remember to listen to your body and move at your own pace throughout the practice. Yoga offers numerous benefits, including improved flexibility, increased muscle strength, and enhanced balance. Beyond the physical, it helps reduce stress, improves focus, and promotes a sense of inner peace. Prepare to connect with your breath and body in a meaningful way. Centering, finding your breath. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position on your mat, perhaps cross-legged or kneeling. Close your eyes gently and place your hands softly on your knees. Take a moment to arrive fully in the present moment, letting go of any external distractions. Start to deepen your breath, inhaling slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Exhale fully through your nose, gently drawing your navel towards your spine. Continue this rhythmic breathing, allowing it to calm your mind and prepare your body for movement. Gentle warm-up, neck rolls. From your comfortably seated position, gently drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling a stretch along the left side of your neck. Avoid forcing the movement, letting gravity assist. Breathe deeply into the stretch, releasing tension. Slowly roll your chin towards your chest, then lift your left ear towards your left shoulder. Continue this gentle half-circle motion, moving with your breath. Complete a few rounds on each side, then return your head to a neutral position. Shoulder circles and chest openers. Place your fingertips on your shoulders and begin to make large, circular motions with your elbows. Inhale as your elbows lift towards the sky, and exhale as they sweep down and back. This helps to release tension in the upper back and shoulders. Reverse the direction of your shoulder circles, moving your elbows forward and down. Then, interlace your fingers behind your back if comfortable, and gently draw your shoulder blades together. Lift your chest slightly, opening across the collarbones, and take a deep breath. Cat-cow flow, spinal mobility transition onto your hands and knees, aligning your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide, pressing firmly into your palms. This is your tabletop position, the foundation for cat-cow. As you inhale, drop your belly towards the mat. Lift your chest and tailbone, gazing slightly forward for cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Flow between these two postures with your breath, creating fluidity in your spine. Downward facing dog preparation. From tabletop, tuck your toes under and gently lift your hips towards the sky, keeping your knees generously bent. Focus on lengthening your spine, pressing your hands firmly into the mat. This is a modified downward facing dog, perfect for beginners. Allow your head to hang heavy, relaxing your neck and shoulders. You can gently pedal out your feet, bending one knee and then the other, to stretch your hamstrings and calves. Continue to breathe deeply, feeling the stretch along the back of your legs and spine. Downward facing dog, full pose. From your preparatory pose, slowly begin to straighten your legs, reaching your heels towards the mat, though they don't need to touch. Continue to press through your hands, lifting your hips even higher. Maintain a long, straight spine, avoiding rounding your back. Downward facing dog strengthens your arms and legs while stretching your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. It's an invigorating pose that also helps calm the brain and relieve stress. Hold for a few breaths, finding stillness in the pose. Rest and release, child's pose. From downward facing dog, gently lower your knees to the mat, bringing your big toes to touch. Separate your knees wide, or keep them together, whatever feels more comfortable. Sink your hips back towards your heels. Extend your arms forward with your palms down, or bring them alongside your body with palms up. Rest your forehead on the mat, allowing your entire body to relax. Child's pose is a wonderful resting posture to calm the nervous system and release tension. Low lunge, hip flexor stretch. From downward facing dog or tabletop, step your right foot forward between your hands, aligning your knee directly over your ankle. Gently lower your left knee to the mat, placing a blanket underneath for comfort if needed. Keep your back toes tucked or untucked. Lift your chest and gaze forward, allowing your hips to sink gently towards the mat. Feel the stretch in your left hip flexor. You can keep your hands on the mat, or bring them to your front knee, or even sweep them overhead for a deeper stretch. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Warrior I preparation. From low lunge, tuck your back toes under and lift your back knee off the mat. Spin your back heel down so your foot is flat, angled about 45 degrees forward. Ensure your front heel is aligned with the arch of your back foot. This is your foundation for Warrior I. Keep your hips squared towards the front of your mat as much as possible, even if it means adjusting your back foot angle slightly. Your front knee remains bent at a 90-degree angle. Feel the strength building in your legs as you establish this powerful base. Warrior I. Building strength from your Warrior I preparation. Inhale and sweep your arms overhead, palms facing each other or lightly touching. Keep your shoulders relaxed down your back, away from your ears. Gaze forward or slightly up towards your hands. Warrior I is a powerful standing pose that strengthens your legs, core, and shoulders. It also opens your hips and chest, building confidence and focus. Hold the pose with steady breath, feeling your strength and stability. Then release and repeat on the other side. Warrior II preparation. From Warrior I, keep your legs in the same strong stance, but pivot your back foot so it's parallel to the short edge of your mat. Open your hips towards the long edge of your mat. Your front heel should now align with the arch of your back foot. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height, palms facing down. Gaze over your front fingertips. This preparatory alignment sets you up for the expansive Warrior II pose, emphasizing open hips and a strong foundation. Warrior II, expansive strength. Maintain your strong leg foundation and open hips from the preparation. Keep your arms extended powerfully out to the sides, parallel to the floor. Your gaze remains soft, directed over the fingertips of your front hand. Feel the energy radiating outwards. Warrior II builds strength in your legs and core, opens your hips and chest, and improves concentration and balance. It embodies a sense of grounded power and expansive energy. Hold for several breaths, then release and repeat on the other side. Triangle pose, side body stretch from Warrior II. Straighten your front leg, keeping a micro bend in the knee to protect the joint. Reach your front arm forward, extending through your fingertips. Then, hinge at your front hip, lowering your front hand to your shin, ankle, or a block. Extend your top arm straight up towards the ceiling, stacking your shoulders. Gaze up towards your top hand, or keep your gaze neutral or down if that's more comfortable for your neck. Triangle pose stretches the hamstrings, groin, and spine, while strengthening the legs and core. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Tree pose, balance, and focus. Shift your weight onto your left foot, finding a steady point of focus, drishti, in front of you. Bring the sole of your right foot to your inner left ankle, calf, or upper thigh, avoiding direct pressure on the knee joint. Keep your hips level and open. Once stable, bring your hands to prayer position at your heart center. If you feel balanced, you can extend your arms overhead like branches of a tree. Tree pose improves balance, strengthens the legs, and calms the mind. Hold for a few breaths, then gently release and repeat on the other side. Mountain pose, rounding and posture. Stand tall at the top of your mat, with your feet hip-width apart or together. whichever feels more stable. Distribute your weight evenly through all four corners of your feet. Engage your thigh muscles. Gently lift your kneecaps and tuck your tailbone slightly. Draw your shoulders down and back, opening your chest. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides, palms facing forward. Feel grounded and powerful, like a mountain. Mountain pose is the foundation for all standing poses, improving posture and body awareness. Seated forward fold, calming stretch. Come to a seated position on your mat with your legs extended straight out in front of you. Flex your feet, drawing your toes towards your shins. Sit tall, lengthening your spine, and place your hands beside your hips. Inhale to lengthen. Then as you exhale, hinge forward from your hips, keeping your back straight. Reach for your shins, ankles, or feet. Allow your head to relax, releasing tension in your neck. This pose deeply stretches the hamstrings and calms the nervous system. Hold for several breaths. Spinal twist, gentle detoxification. From your seated position, bend your right knee and place your right foot flat on the mat outside your left thigh. Keep your left leg extended or bend your left knee, bringing your left heel towards your right hip. Sit tall, grounding through your sit bones. Place your right hand behind you for support. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then as you exhale, twist your torso to the right. Hook your left elbow outside your right knee or hug your knee with your left arm. Gaze gently over your right shoulder. This pose aids digestion and spinal mobility. Hold for a few breaths, then unwind and switch sides. Bridge pose, gentle back bend. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat, hip width apart, heels close to your sit bones. Your arms rest alongside your body, palms down. Take a moment to settle and connect with the mat. As you inhale, press through your feet and lift your hips towards the ceiling, engaging your glutes and hamstrings. You can keep your arms flat or interlace your fingers underneath your back, pressing your arms into the mat. Lift your chest towards your chin, but keep your neck long. Bridge pose strengthens the back, glutes, and hamstrings, and gently opens the chest. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly lower your hips back down. Supine spinal twist, deep release. From your back, hug both knees into your chest, giving yourself a gentle squeeze. Extend your arms out to a T shape, palms facing up or down. Take a deep breath here. As you exhale, gently lower both knees over to your right side, keeping your left shoulder grounded on the mat. You can gaze over your left shoulder for a deeper neck stretch. This restorative twist helps release tension in the spine and lower back. Hold for several breaths, then bring knees back to center and repeat on the left side. Happy baby pose, hip and back release. From your back, hug your knees into your chest. Then, open your knees wider than your torso, bringing them towards your armpits. Reach for the outside edges of your feet or your ankles, keeping your shins perpendicular to the floor. Gently pull your knees down towards the mat, keeping your tailbone grounded. You can rock gently side to side, massaging your lower back. Happy baby pose is excellent for opening the hips and releasing tension in the lower back. Hold for several breaths, enjoying the stretch. Savasana, final relaxation. Gently release your feet from happy baby and extend your legs long on the mat, allowing your feet to fall open naturally. Let your arms rest by your sides, palms facing up, slightly away from your body. Close your eyes and allow your body to feel heavy on the mat. Savasana, or corpse pose, is the most important pose in yoga, allowing your body to integrate all the benefits of your practice. Resist the urge to fidget or move. Simply surrender to stillness. Allow yourself to fully relax and release all effort. Deep relaxation in Savasana. Continue to lie in Savasana, allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Feel the support of the earth beneath you, letting go of any remaining tension in your muscles. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each breath. Bring your awareness to different parts of your body, consciously relaxing each one. Start from your toes, moving up through your legs, torso, arms, and finally your face and scalp. Allow your entire being to sink deeper into relaxation, finding complete stillness. Gentle awakening, returning to awareness. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body and the space around you. Begin to deepen your breath, taking a few fuller inhales and exhales. Notice the sensations in your fingers and toes. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, then slowly bring movement into your wrists and ankles. Take a full body stretch, reaching your arms overhead and pointing your toes. Slowly roll onto your right side, pausing there for a moment in a fetal position, before gently pressing yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Closing, gratitude and intention. Come to a comfortable seated position, cross-legged or kneeling, with your spine tall. Bring your hands to prayer position at your heart center, gently pressing your palms together. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a moment to acknowledge your practice and express gratitude for showing up for yourself. Set an intention for the rest of your day, carrying this sense of calm and strength with you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste. Benefits of regular yoga practice. Regular yoga practice extends beyond the mat, enhancing both physical and mental well-being. Physically, it significantly improves flexibility, builds core strength, and refines balance, contributing to better posture and reduced risk of injury. These benefits support overall physical health and vitality. Mentally, yoga is a powerful tool for stress reduction, fostering a calmer and more focused mind. The emphasis on breath awareness and mindfulness helps to alleviate anxiety and improve emotional regulation. Consistent practice cultivates a deeper connection between mind and body, promoting a holistic sense of peace.